If you're experiencing issues with Apex Legends being stuck on an update, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart your console or PC. Shut down your gaming device completely and then turn it back on. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. Step 3. Pause and resume the update. Navigate to the update section of Apex Legends and pause the download. Wait a few moments, then resume the update. This can sometimes reset the download process and allow it to continue. Step 4. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by unplugging the device for a few minutes. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the Game S installation folder and deleting the temporary files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Apex Legends and then reinstall it. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the game and can resolve any issues related to corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the update issue and get back to playing Apex Legends.